If I'm looking at a brand that's $50 million in value and losing money, here are two things I would do. Number one is you need to understand if the business is profitable, and you understand that you need to take 12 months worth of revenue. And from that revenue, you subtract everything that's an expense, both fixed and variable. You take out the team's salary, anything that's a tool or a subscription, your rent, payroll, marketing spend, all of that. That leaves you with your actual profit. Now, if it's a zero or a negative number, that's a big problem. The first thing you have to do is you have to create a checklist of all the expenses that you feel is not contributing to revenue. And then you start killing all of those expenses one by one. And as you do that, strike them off the list. And use this 12-month analysis as a baseline to see if you're doing better or worse in the following months. That's the first thing. The second thing is you have to take all the products in your portfolio, understand what revenue each of them are bringing in, and then divide all those products into three categories. Top 20, your high sales, high margin kind of products. Your middle 60, which is decent sales, okay-ish margins. And then your bottom 20%, which is low sales, low margin, high complexity. And the first thing you have to do is you have to stop spending on marketing for the bottom 20% and move that marketing dollars to your top 20. And for your top 20, prioritize fast inventory, restocks, run ads, and upsell programs. And for the middle 60, do not run ads unless you can prove the ROI. Kill anything with poor reviews or a very high return rate. Those are the two things you should begin with, and then you take it from there.